Welcome to the channel, and today we are here in Pattaya at Big Buddha Hill. Lots of steps to go. Now I'm not quite sure why they call it Big Buddha Hill. I mean, it's not that big. Oh yeah. This Buddha looks like me. And this Buddha looks like Crispy. So yeah, that's why they call it Big Buddha Hill. And I was born on a Monday, so apparently this is my Buddha. I believe it's this one over here, but hey ho. So there you have it, that is Big Buddha Hill. We're going to walk down now and get our blessings from the monks and get a little bit of string tied to our wrists. So yeah, time for them steps again. Yay. So there you have it. That was Big Butter Hill and all the other butters that were up there, including myself. He's laughing. We have our monk's blessing. Just waiting on Tan coming now, and I have no idea where we're going now. But I'll see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.